Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to open up Steam in offline mode. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you need to do is have Steam open. Once Steam is open, what we're going to be doing is coming up to the top left section right here. We're going to be clicking on the Steam option right here. And then we're going to be looking here for the second option, go offline. What we're going to be doing is clicking this, and then we will have this pop up here. We will then have two options, restart in offline mode or cancel. In this case, what we're going to be clicking is restart in offline mode. Once we click this, Steam will now be in offline mode. This time when you open Steam, it will bring you automatically to the library, as when you try to load the store, it will say it's currently unavailable. And we'll also know it's in offline mode if we come down here to the bottom where it normally mentions our downloads. It'll say offline mode, and if we open up our friends and chat, it'll mention here that we're signed out. So just like that, we're in Steam offline mode. Now at any point, if you close down Steam again and reopen it, it will stay in offline mode until you re-enable online mode. To re-enable online mode, all we need to do is come back up here to Steam again, click on it, and then we're going to be clicking go online. Again, we'll have this pop up, restart and go online or cancel. When you want to go back online, you simply need to restart and go back online, and then your Steam will be back in online mode. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to put Steam in offline mode. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.